this. Would you believe me if I told you that your decision today would lead you to unlimited freedom, fewer working conflicts, and also it will lead you to have freedom as far as financial and limitations are concerned? You guys, I took a decision 5 years back. It was just by luck. It was by luck 5 years back. But for you, if you take a decision today, it will not be by luck because you're getting assurance from me. You will never regret. The world has changed. You don't need a bigger office. You don't need a lot of expensive gadgets. You don't need that beautiful mansion. You don't need to decorate your office. In fact, you don't need office chair. You don't need what you're seeing for you to start making money online. And in this, you guys, I will give you one of my experience when that prompted me to be serious with making money online. And I'm talking about soul creator, serious creator, the soul creator. I move solo. I did various businesses in different ways, in different fields. I even did businesses as far as in crypto and in network marketing is concerned. But all these ones, I never got freedom. I got complaints, I got grudges, I got hatred, a lot backbitings, a lot was around these businesses. Until I decided that I told God, I want that one business. I'll sit and do it as a person. I remember when I told my pastor told me, even him, but on the other hand, when you sit down and relax before you come to know that there is this making money online, you would say, which business that will you make as an individual without people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I can't hold a smartphone and beg for bread. This is a special disclaimer, you guys. This video is for educational purposes. If you're watching this video, get to know that you are getting authentic tips from a person that has tested them. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 10 powerful reasons why you should focus on making money online as a sole creator. I've been a sole creator and I've seen other creators in groups. So I know the good things and the worst things. So, but before we dive into these the 10 powerful reasons, allow me say thank you to all my engagers. You guys, I really don't know what I can give you because I will not give you money that will sustain you. You have enough money. I'll just pray for you. Thank you very much. Engage us on TikTok, on Facebook, especially on YouTube and Facebook. You guys, I love you so much. God bless you for me. And to the ones that have been with me for a long time and the ones that are putting these things in practice. Can we dive in? The first one, you guys get to know that with just a smartphone, your laptop and internet connection, you can start creating content that earns money for years. But now, if you're still wondering whether becoming a sole creator or a group creator, let me tell you, being a sole creator is worth it. Indeed, I've been a sole creator, and these are 10 powerful reasons I'll give you why you should be from today. One, there is freedom of time. Freedom of time in a sense that as a sole creator, you are in charge of your schedule. You guys, do you know I wake up like, you can see I'm in a pajama. When I came from work, after getting my dinner, I need to tell these people this. There's no one hindering me from doing what I'm supposed to do and what I'm doing. So sole creator is worth it. You decide when to create, you decide when to post, you decide when to rest, you even decide when to withdraw the money. Unlike when you're a group of creators, you are no longer tied to someone else, or someone else schedule or timetable. If you go to see people who have been doing content creation in a group, they always have issues. Others are fighting for YouTube channels. Others are, a lot of things are there. So now it comes to the drawing board. Why did you start being social media? Me, I wanted that freedom. And this is the freedom I'm getting. The second one is fewer conflicts. Take a look at your workplace. Even maybe your mates, your group mates, you will never have the same thinking. You will never have the same focus. You might want to go A, another one will go B. So working alone means a lot for me. And you don't have office politics, unnecessary meetings or disagreement with co-workers. Never. I come and have meeting with myself. So I will agree and disagree. When I disagree with myself, I go to bed, I go where, then I come and say, okay, I can change this. So it has been the best. You can try it also. So your success depends on your effort and your consistency. Most people ask, how do you do it? I do it because I'm the CEO, I'm the controller, I'm the inventory manager, I'm the schedule manager, I'm everything. I'm even the person who withdraws the money, my money. So when you're a sole creator, you determine what you want. Let's talk about unlimited income potentials. A regular job will give you a limited salary. Yes, but online income will continue growing as audience grows, as products grow, as content grows. One video can earn you repeatedly over time. But for you, 1 hour will be 1 hour. Then the fourth one is you own your brand if you're a sole creator. If you're more than one person, you don't own the brand. We have tried it and we've seen what it goes. When you're doing much, another person will think maybe you want to overtake the brand. When you're doing less, another person will complain because you're making that person. Self-entitlement. Some people feel they are doing better than others. So instead of building someone else's company, you are building your own name. You will hear Immaculate show. So Immaculate show, no one will say, no, she used her name and it's supposed, no. Every video, every post, it increases personal brand and it creates long-term opportunities. Even the people who don't want to recognize that are inside themselves, they know Immaculate show is there. So the way to grow the brand, it's a must. Then the fifth one is low startup capital. Trust me, you don't need thousands of dollars when you are a sole creator. You only need what you have to generate views. You can make income from only what you have as your smartphone, as your energy. I'm in my home office. I always upgrade it day and day. I don't think you've ever seen the screen. No. You've not seen the lighting system. You've not seen until all. So it is my pace. It's slow starting capital, but money is coming. You can earn while you sleep. When you're alone, I decide to do evergreen content, but when you're a group, there are some people who say, no, this one, because your thinking up is not the same. Then you can reach global audience when you're alone. The internet allows you to speak. If we were in a group, others would say, you speak in Luganda, in Runyankore, in Rutoro, but because I'm alone, I know my global audience is worldwide. And that's why I speak in English. Then you learn high income skills. What are high income skills? You know them, put them in the comment section without forgetting multiple income streams. If you're alone, you do digital marketing, you do affiliate marketing. No one is going to stop you that you're running so fast and I'm doing all these ones. Last but not least, you build wealth for the future. Content is a digital asset, but if your group, some people don't know that. The videos you create today will continue making money tomorrow. So guys, run and do this alone.